What makes a good weld? In part 1 of this series, we talked about technicians. In this video, we're going to talk about the welding machine itself. What makes a good weld? Let's look at the welding machine. First, let's consider the proper power supply. Do you have extension cords attached? Are you supposed to? Does your shop have enough power at that outlet? If 4 other people are operating equipment on the same circuit, who might not be getting the correct power? Next, look at the maintenance of the machine. Are the tips correct and not damaged? Is the nozzle in good shape and correct for the application? Are the rollers for the wire clean and correct? Improperly maintained machines are a big reason for failed welds and technicians struggling to weld. This has a huge impact on production. Proper wire. Is the tensile strength correct and/or the alloy for application according to the vehicle manufacturer? Is the liner clean? Is the helix correct? Is the wire diameter correct? Settings. Are the settings for the material correct? Check inside the wire panel for directions on this. Gas and gas settings. What type of gas? Are you supposed to be MIG or MAG welding? What PSI should the gas be? In our next video, we're going to look at training as the third key ingredient to a successful weld. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.